Hey guys, just a quick video demonstrating how to create a document in the Couch database. So I'm currently in my Photon or Foxton, whatever you wanna say it. So I'm on my Photon UI, and I have the database named as Couch Notes. So let's just click on that, and you can see the create document here. So let's just go to the create document, and it says the ID here, so I will just remove that, and I will just type notes, and let's give it some fields like name. So we will use this as let's give it name Batman, and let's give it a location, and give it, let's say, Gotham. My bad, you have to separate with the columns, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just save it. So you can see the create document button here, and just click that, and document it says successfully. Now we can see the notes here. So you can also view that in a table format. So you can click on table, and you can see the keys that you have given. So let's just go again to the metadata, and you can see the rev. So rev is like a revision document, so it helps in the rev helps in the like the concurrency control, the efficient storage of the database, and the document history. So rev keeps track of the revisions that you are going to put in your document. So let's just revise this, and let's just give it a name, like let's just give it a field real name, and let's just give it to Bruce Wayne, right? And now let's just save it, and you can see the revision is done, and this rev value is changed. If we haven't seen that, let's just again give it a one revision once again. So let's just give partner, and let's just give it to Robin, right? And let's just save it, and now you can see the revision here, and the rev changes with the change in the document, so it keeps the track of the changes. And you can also view this JSON file in the JSON format, so you can see these things. I have this one created as first note, and this is the note, this is the document that we were working on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.